Are you struggling with your PPC campaigns, whether you're spending too much on PPC and you're not seeing a huge return, or maybe you're not sure how to best optimize? Well, in today's video, what I want to do is break down how to best optimize your PPC campaign so you're not spending money on clicks that aren't necessary. So stay tuned. What's up, champs? Welcome to today's video. My name is Trevor Peterson. I'm a full-time multiple six-figure Amazon seller, and in today's video I'm going to be breaking down how to best optimize your PPC campaign so you're not just wasting money on clicks that aren't necessary. So I'm going to break down exactly what that means and show you guys step by step exactly what I'm talking about. I'm going to show you how to set up the campaign, how to do the research for the certain keywords that we're going to be finding, and basically how to handpick these certain keywords. So this is going to be super useful, and I promise this is going to help your PPC campaign, so make sure to stay until the very end and really implement what I'm about to teach you. And before we dive into the video, what I want to do is do a quick giveaway just as a thank you. I haven't done one as of late, but I want to do one right now, and I'm going to pick two lucky winners. One is going to win $50 cash, and then the other one is going to win a free 20-minute consultation call, whether you just want to talk business, whether you want to talk Amazon FBA, whether you want me to verify your products, whatever you want to do with the 20 minutes with me. We can jump on a phone call and we can just talk. So the two lucky winners to enter to win the $50 or the 20-minute consultation call with me, all you need to do is subscribe to the channel. So make sure to go down, hit the subscribe button. You have to turn on the notification bell, and then drop a comment as well saying why you want the consultation call, or what you're struggling with, or future videos that you would like to see about Amazon FBA. Just anything related to Amazon FBA, drop a comment down below, and then also you have to like this video. So I'm really excited about this giveaway, and I just want to say thank you guys so much again for all of the love and support. Also, you have to join the free Amazon Champion Facebook group. That's where I'll be announcing the giveaway winners. So make sure to join that as well, and I'll include that in the link down in the description below. So I'm really excited about this, and I'm excited about this video. And the last thing that I want to talk about is, if you guys are struggling with Amazon, you guys don't know where or how to get started, you don't know where that next step is, or you want to take your business to that next level, I'd love to have you in my full A to Z Amazon Champion program. And the link will be down in the description below, so check that out, and I would love to have you as one of my students. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Okay, so here we are inside my screen, and the first thing that I want to do is give you guys an update on my second Amazon seller account, kind of break down my progress and give you guys just an inside look of my Amazon FBA business. And this perfectly ties into the video as well, because what I'm about to teach you in regards to PPC strategy is exactly what I'm doing on this account, and I've seen a lot of success in terms of optimizing my PPC campaign. So that's kind of why I'm sharing you guys this information. And then another reason is I also like showing you that I'm in the trenches with you, that I'm a current FBA seller. I'm in the loop with new things, new strategies, and always am trying to bring to you guys the most up-to-date videos. So that's why I always say this is the most up-to-date YouTube channel out. Subscribe, like this video, share it with a friend. I'd love to have you in the Facebook group and inside the community as well. So that's why I kind of share with you guys some inside look of my numbers. And as you guys can see right here, the numbers aren't crazy. $6,000 over the span of basically a couple months. And this may not look like a lot, but what I've seen and what I want to talk about a little bit is this is great. This is awesome progress. And too many times people look at experienced sellers that have been selling for a year, or maybe someone has been selling for 3 years, and they see, oh, this guy's doing 25K profit per month. Well, why can't I do that? And the reality is when they first started, they didn't just start out making 25K a month. They started with one sell, their second, their third, their fourth, just like everyone else. And so that's why I'm showing you guys this is, look, this is just legit. I'm being transparent. This is my second account, and I'm slowly growing it. It's not where I want it, but I'm on track to get where I want. So don't be discouraged wherever you're at in your journey. Just embrace it, enjoy the process, and little by little you'll get to where you want. And for me, 6,000, that's close. That's over 2K profit. I can't complain about that. That can go towards my mortgage. That can go towards a vacation. I mean, 2 grand, I can go on a vacation and enjoy myself for basically a week. So don't take for granted any sale that you get. Just be happy, keep a positive attitude, and just keep working towards that end goal. But right here, you'll see I launched August 2nd. It slowly went up, and then I ran out of stock. My other product was in hazmat review. I talk about that in a bunch of other videos if you guys want to go look at those. And then I finally got relaunched back basically September 11th. So it's basically been an entire month of relaunch, and things are slowly but surely getting back to where they were at. So that's kind of an update there. And now let's dive into the PPC strategy video. I promise this is going to really, really help you guys. So the first thing that I want to talk about is Helium 10. For this technique, you need Helium 10. And if you guys have watched my videos, if you guys are in the Facebook group or inside my course, you know that Helium 10 is my go-to software tool, and it's by far the best for the value, for the price, and what they offer. So go to helium10.com. I'll have the link down below if you want to, but just helium10.com, and then you sign up, and then you go to plan details. And the tool that you're going to need for this method is the Helium 10 Cerebro tool. I've talked a lot about this, but I'm going to kind of show you a different aspect of how to use this for your PPC. It's not what you think. It's completely different. I promise. I haven't talked about this in any of my videos, so make sure to continue watching. But what you need is the Helium 10 Cerebro tool, and that's going to be 37 bucks a month. And if you sell on Amazon, you're going to need some other tools, so you might as well get the Platinum plan, which is 97 bucks a month, and that's going to be every single tool that you guys need in order to succeed with Amazon, okay? You're going to literally have everything. And when I say everything, you're going to have everything for 97 bucks. And then the best part is, if you want to use my coupon code, I have 50% off for the first month. So AMZ Champions, whoops, I spelled it wrong, AMZ Champions 50, and you'll get 50% off for the first month, or so it's $48.50, or you can do AMZ Champions 10 and you'll get 10% off for life on the Platinum plan. So you're going to be paying 87 bucks for every single tool that you'll need. And trust me, what I'm about to show you, and just if you're looking to sell on Amazon, you're going to need these tools, not just Cerebro, but all of the tools that Helium 10 offers. So make sure to get that if you want to do this technique. And once you have that tool, let's go in and sign into the dashboard. Let's go to Cerebro, Cerebro, whatever you want to call it. A lot of people sometimes don't like what I call it Cerebro, so I'm trying to say Cerebro, okay? But for this example, we're going to be using dog collars. And say this is your product. So basically, for this strategy, my battery's going to run out, so I need to put this on pause. Timeout. Okay, and we are back. Sorry about that. So like I was saying, we have this product. We have the dog collar. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to your actual product that you're selling, and what you're going to do is copy the ASIN. So whether that's on the Amazon page or inside your seller account, you go right here, you copy the ASIN. So I'm going to copy this. You're going to go over to Helium 10 Cerebro, and you're going to paste it in right here, and you're going to hit Get Keywords. Now what this is going to do is it's going to do what's called a reverse ASIN lookup, and essentially what that means is it's going to pull and find all the keywords that particular ASIN, that product, is ranked for. So it could be 20,000 keywords, it could be 10 keywords, it could be right here 1,400 keywords. So this product is ranked on 1,400 keywords. Now that doesn't mean 1,400 keywords on the first page. That could be on the first page, that could be on the 25th page. But what's cool is you can go right here and you can filter out, and you can actually have them show you where are these keywords that you're ranked on the first page. So I'm going to go right here, hit match type, hit organic, and then organic rank 1 to 5. And what that organic rank 1 to 5 means is that's the position spots on the first page. So if we go to this keyword, dog collar for girls, we're going to see that this one is in the position spot 1. This is position spot 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on and so forth. So that's kind of how you can gauge, okay, well, the first 5 spots, that would be ideal. Maybe the first 4 spots would be even better. And then as you scroll down, I mean, there's probably, what, 20 plus listings on that first page. So, I mean, if you're in the top 15, that's pretty good. But the higher up you are, the more people that are going to see your product. So that's the goal, and that's what you're trying to accomplish as you're ranking and as you're doing these PPC campaigns, which I'll explain. So right here, I'm going to change this to organic rank 1. Let's do 1 to 4. Organic match type. We want it organic. We don't want it sponsored or Amazon recommended. We just want our organic rank. So we see we have 1,400, and if we hit apply, we're going to see that number will drop down to 57. So it drops down quite a bit because you're obviously not ranked 1,400 keywords on the first page for 1,400 keywords. That's if you are. And I'm sure there's products that are, you'd be making like 100K a month, especially for this particular keyword and this product. But we're only ranked for 57. Now that's good. That's awesome, because you'll see we can adjust the search volume. You'll see that we have some keywords that are being searched 6,000, 4,000, 2,000, 2,000. So overall, I bet our product is doing pretty well if we're organically ranked for 10 plus keywords that are all being searched 2,000 plus per month. So that's awesome. Now, how do we get to that next level, and how do we better optimize our PPC campaign? So with this information, what we can do is we can go right here and hit export, and we can copy to clipboard or copy to Frankenstein and copy all these keywords, and we can put them in what's called a negative search inside our PPC campaign. So basically making it so that we're not showing for these particular keywords, and we'd want to do an exact search, so that if someone searched exactly girl dog collars, we're already ranked organically 1. Why would we pay to have the sponsored ad on right before it? That just doesn't make sense. So right here, as you can see these silicone stretch lids, you'll see the sponsored ad. So if we were right here on the position spot 1, why would we pay for the sponsored ad right here? So that's what we're going to do, is we're going to take those keywords out of our PPC campaigns and spend that money elsewhere on keywords that we're not quite yet to that first 4 positions, okay? Because once we are to the first even 6 positions, that's where the sales really start to just increase. So that's kind of the goal here, is not spend money where it's not necessary, okay? So that's the first way that you can do. You can put them in a negative search, or you can do both, or just one or the other. Or you can come right here and let's do our organic rank from 5 to, let's say, 18, or 5 to 25, or let's do 6 to 25, and we'll hit apply, and you'll see that this total keywords 57 is going to go up to 240. So that means there are 240 keywords that were this close to organically ranking on that first top 5 positions. So what we're going to do with this information is we're going to get these keywords, and we're going to do the same thing, and I'll show you exactly how to do it. Copy to Frankenstein, and if you have the Platinum plan, you'll have all of these tools. That's why I say just get the Platinum plan, because it literally comes with everything. But right here, you're going to see all of these different keywords. I mean, there's a lot of them, and what you're going to do is kind of go through them and make sure that all these keywords kind of match your particular product. So like, for example, XX small dog collars, maybe you're not selling that small of a dog collar, so you may not want to do that. Right here, cat bow collar, it's not for a cat, so maybe we don't want that keyword. We want it for a dog. And you just kind of go through and you kind of get rid of some keywords that just aren't really super specific towards your product. They're kind of out there. Now you could potentially try them, because obviously you're organically ranked pretty high, so maybe they will convert, and maybe you just want to try all of these keywords. But what you're going to do then is get all of these keywords, and you're going to go open up a manual. I'm going to copy this, and you're going to go over to your Amazon Seller Central account. You're going to go to Advertising, Campaign Manager, and you're going to open up a manual exact exact keyword search campaign for those keywords that you're not quite yet ranked on that top 5 positions. So right here, you're going to create campaign, and yours may look a little bit different. You may have some other options because this isn't a professional account. This is just a free account. But right here, you're going to go to your sponsored products, hit continue, and then you're going to give it a name. You're going to do manual targeting. You're going to adjust the budget. You're going to just do all this, add your product that you're looking to do, and then the keyword targeting, and then you're going to hit enter list. And then this is where you're going to enter your entire list, and you're going to do the exact, you're going to make it exact, not phrase, not broad, because you know this is the exact search, the exact keyword that I'm not quite yet ranked. I'm getting there, and you're going to paste it in here, and then you're going to hit add keywords, and then you're going to adjust the bid and the budget, and then you're going to go down here and you're going to hit launch campaign. And then this is where your negative keyword targeting, if you want to put them in your other existing campaigns, for example, like your automatic or some other campaigns that you have, you can put the negative exact match type, and you can enter in that list where you're already organically ranked on the first 5 positions. So that's kind of the strategy with this technique, is using Helium 10 to find the keywords where we're already ranked in that top 5 positions, and we don't necessarily want to pay in sponsored ads to show ourselves right next to each other. That just doesn't make sense. Now, if you want to be really, really aggressive and you have just a bunch of money to spend, go for it. But from my experience, I'd rather take in that organic sell than have someone click on my sponsored ad and then exit back out and then just click on mine on the original one and purchase. I just rather not spend money and have my margins just that much better. So that's kind of what you want to do to best optimize your listings. And this can take some time, and there's different things that you can do with this. I mean, the organic rank, maybe you want to go even higher, or maybe you want to go lower, or maybe you don't want to spend money where you're organically ranked on the first 10 positions, and you just want to target those keywords where you're that much closer to the 10 positions. I mean, there's a million things that you can do with this strategy, but this helps you give an idea to get the ball rolling to kind of better optimize your PPC campaigns. And I've done this on my accounts, on my second account that I just recently launched these 2 new products, and it's worked extremely well. So I'd recommend getting Helium 10 if you don't have it. Get the Platinum plan so you have all these tools, and I promise it's going to pay for itself as you continue to utilize these tools. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you learned something. If you guys have any other further questions, join the Facebook group. And then if you guys are still stuck and not quite sure where or how to get started, please join my full A to Z Amazon Champion program. I'd love to have you in as a student, and I'd love to be your mentor. So thank you so much for watching, and don't forget about the giveaway. Subscribe, comment, like the video, join the Facebook group, and you have a chance to win $50 or a free 20-minute consultation call with me, and you guys know what to do. So thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.